Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to plan a route with Yandex Maps. Just open the app, click on search here, type the name of the place you would like to go to, and then tap on directions in the bottom left corner. Wait a little bit and then you can select the type of the transport you would like to use, and also you can change the current location to another place like London and tap on done. So here are the directions from from Paris to London. There are 3 routes available. You can switch between them and decide which one fits you the best. That's basically it. I hope it will be useful.